Hey, when you asked for efficiency tips, that was like right up my alley because I'm a efficiency consultant. I use Airtable and Zapier to help other businesses and entrepreneurs and stuff. So that was basically calling me out, I think. No, I'm just kidding. But here's a quick little tool that I made, basically taking your block that you have on your whiteboard, putting it and making it into a database. That way you can track it this way. This is very this is just using your information. You can even add on to this and get more granular with this if you wanted to. Um, so uh, here, I'll just go ahead and fill out one for like log 4. If you notice, a lot of these fields will automatically populate, so you're not having to put in the information for all of them as you go along. And let's go 3. So these breakdown fields, the little information dots will tell you what it's looking for. But it's basically the breakdown of these hours over here by person, by individual. And then over here, your summary is your hours and minutes. And then this is your calculation. And then it's automatically calculated for you. You don't have to touch it. You just fill in the hours and it takes that data, calculates it automatically. And then down here you can see the totals for each of the phases. So your video length, you have 48 and a half minutes, no prep time, 13 hours of shooting time, 23 and a quarter hours of editing time, and then your average hour to minute calculation is 72. You can even change that to sum. You could change it to the median. Figure average is probably a pretty good thing to know because this gives you your total, and some may or may not be helpful. But you could also take this information and put in calculations for how much money you've made per video and calculate that out to how much money you're making an hour or a minute, or a minute of video length, all those kinds of things. You could also take these phases and then track them in a different table, and track it down to minutes and what you spent doing what. That way, you know exactly what happened when, and then that total minute calculation could come in and fill these in if you even wanted to. This is just a foundational start. You could get really crazy with this and really track out anything you want to do with this. So I figured this might be something that is useful to you. If you're interested in it, just let me know. I'll send you the link over. You can have it. But yeah, hope everything's going good. Enjoy your content, and I'll talk to you later.